All right, good afternoon, JSS students. Compliments of the lockdown and happy isolation. Hope you are enjoying the session at home. I believe you are not surprised seeing me here because I'm not your English teacher. Okay, and I believe most of you have been seeing me around the school. With the introduction, my name is Miss Florence Nga, English Studies teacher of JSS. And even in line with what is going on with COVID-19 issue in Nigeria, we here in Sheikh Abubakar Gumi International Academy, we still have you in mind, okay? And here we are, I'm here to teach you a topic in English, okay? And the topic here says what? Expressing future tense. Expressing what? Future tense. Now let me start by introducing this topic by saying that most of us, let me use the word us, okay, we have not mastered our tenses, okay? That is why most time when we speak blunder, all right? Now this topic is for what? It's for us to understand the meaning of what? Of future what? Tense, all right? That is what I really want you to get from this topic, okay? All right, now what I want you to get is what? Understand the meaning of what? Of future what? Tense. And what? Make sentences. Showing what? Future tense. Now these are what are the objective, the main objective for this what? For this lesson. Okay, one, the meaning, and two, what? Make sentences. This make sentences here means what? When you see future tense in a book, as a textbook or on the board, how do you identify it? Okay, this is what I'm here to teach you today. Alright, now let's go to the main topic, which is what? Expressing future tense. Now, what is future tense? What is what future tense? Now, this right here, future, was already what gives us the what? The meaning of the what? Of the topic. Alright? Now, future tense means what? It's an action that will take place. Okay? An action that will what? That will take place. Or an action that you intend to what? To do. Alright? An action that you intend to do. Now the thing here is that you may not carry out the action, you may carry the what? The action. Now two things happen here. It's either you carry out the action or you what? Or you don't carry out the what? The action. Hello? Okay? Now in future tense, we use what? Two words to what? To identify future tense. Alright? Now, here we have what? This is what? Our teaching was A, which is showing us the meaning of future tense. Alright? Now, future tense, like I said, is used to what? To show an action that will what? That will take place. Alright? Now, you can see that I underline what? Shall and will. With what? With a red marker. Now, in order for you to identify future tense, you need to what? To understand what shall and what and will. Whenever you see shall and will in a sentence, it is talking about what? About future tense. Is that clear? It's talking about what? About what? Future tense. That's why I wrote here that shall and will is used to what? To express future action. Future action or what? Or future tense. Alright, now here we write the meaning of future action. Now whenever I say action or whenever I say tense, it means what's the same thing. Okay, please don't be confused. Now, future actions or what? Or tense is used to what? To express or what? Or show what? An action that will what? Take place. Alright? Now, shall and will is used to what? To show future action. Alright? Now, future action of tense is used to what? To express or show an action that will what? That will take place. Now here further says, shall and will is used to what? To show future tense. And let's go to the sentence in details now. Sentences expressing future what? Tense. Alright, sentence 1 here says, Joy will go to the market with her what? Her aunts. Now, Joy will go to what? To the market with her what? With her aunt. Now, this sentence is telling us that what? That the subject here, Joy, will what? Will go to the market with what? With her aunt. Now, how do you know this is what? A future what? Tense. Now, remember in English, we have different types of tenses. We have the future tense, we have the continuous tense, we have the perfect tense, we have the present perfect tense. Okay, but today our main focus here is what? Future tense. Now, how do you know that this sentence here is talking about what? Future tense. Now, remember I said what? Shall and what? And will. It's used to what? To show future tense. Okay, Joy what? Look at it here. Now, will. Joy will what? Will go to the market with her aunt. All right. Now, sentence 2. My family shall attend the event. My family shall what? Attend the what? The event. Now, sentence 3. Mr. Adams shall what? Go to the what? To the funeral this evening. Alright, now, in future tense, we have the what? We have the negative sentences and the what? And the positive what? Sentences. Okay? We have the what? The negative sentences and the what? The positive sentences. Now, what I've given you here, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, all these are what? Examples of what? Of positive what? Sentences. Is that clear? Now, when we talk about the negative sentences, it is used to what? To talk about sentence that will not what? That will not take place. But mind you, we shall still use what? The word shall and what? And will. So what? To talk about the what? The future sentence there. Is that clear? Now, for the negative sentence now, let me use this one that we have on the board here. Excuse me. Sentence 1, Joy will go to the market with her aunt. Now, how do you turn this positive sentence to a negative one? Use the words, use not. Joy will not what? Go to the market. With her aunt. Now the word here will not talks about what? Negative what? Sentences. Is that clear? Alright? Okay. We'll not go to now sentence 2, which we still have on the board. My family shall attend the event. My family shall not attend the what? The event. Shall not. Sentence 3. Mr. Adams, R-S here. Mr. Adams shall not go for the what? Funeral. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we've been able to look at the meaning of what? Of future tense. Alright? Future tense. Now, future tense in the what? In the positive and in the what? And in the negative. Now, remember that what shall and will is used to show what? Future tense. Okay? Please, if you have any question, which I know you have questions, but you can see me now. I can't see you. Please pen it down so that when we resume, then you give me your question and I will give you answers to it. Okay? But I have what? Assignments for you, which hopefully I know that you'll submit when we resume. Write 5 sentences each. For positive. Okay, in the positive and what? And negative. In the positive, and negative, expressing future tense or action. Now, write 5 sentences showing what? Write 5 sentences each in the what? In the positive and what? And negative, expressing future tense or action. Alright, I believe you've learned something from today's teaching. Thanks for watching.